and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I want to introduce you to some new products that are just fab. And I can mean that literally, I can mean that figuratively, but they are from Fabriano, which the root word is fab. See? That's how I know. These are from Fabriano. These are called Fat Pads. They are overstuffed pads full of great grounds for you to work on. I have here 2 of them, the watercolor one and the mixed media one. So I'll show you the watercolor one first. This is a doozy, y'all. Look at this. It's ginormous for one thing. It has 60 sheets of 140-pound watercolor paper in it. It's insane. It is a 25% cotton. It's not like a, 100% cotton or anything like that. That's where the money savings comes in. But it's a really, really good watercolor paper. I've been really, really surprised and pleased with it. You don't want to do like a whole bunch of really, really wet scrubbing on it because it, the surface is a little bit delicate in that way. But everything else that I've tried, wet washes, wet and wet, some dry brush, all that kind of different stuff. I even done some drawing on top of the watercolor with this and have been very, very pleased. The pages come out easily when you're done. You don't have to worry about it. The spine cracking and stuff, I've been pleasantly surprised. And so this is a fantastic deal from Fabriano. We have the watercolor, which has 60 sheets. And then we also have the mixed media, which is for dry and wet techniques. So let's say that sometimes you work in watercolor or ink. Sometimes you just like to do drawing. Sometimes you like to mix it up, have a party and do both. So this is kind of like the all hands on deck, this will handle it all kind of option. This has 150 sheets in this one pad. It's ginormous as well. So it has a really, really nice glued spine. I was able to take the pages out very, very easily when I was working on it. This is 108-pound paper. It's kind of got a little bit of an off-white color. It's not like a super bright white, but it is plenty bright enough for drawing, inks, watercolor, all kinds of different stuff. Have been really, really impressed. Acid-free, totally great. And if you ain't getting one, you crazy. These are wonderful and we know that you will enjoy.